Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a swap that was hosted on Instagram, and that was hosted by, oh my goodness, Melissa. Oh my goodness. You guys, let me go back into that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, totally forget. Totally blank out, you guys. This was hosted by let me see if I can find it. It was a Easter egg one-on-one swap, and it was hosted by oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I'm trying to see. Mika at Mama Rocks. Oh my god, on Instagram, and I do apologize. I am so totally out of it. My swap partner was Alicia. Her YouTube channel and I believe Instagram is Ali Plans. Ali Plans cuteness. Anyways, I do apologize for the delay. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry. Yeah, there's something wrong with me usually. Anyways, so I am trying to open her box. She did receive mine. She said she cracked it open and was like, yeah. she just couldn't wait. Anyway, so she was oh my goodness, she's so funny. She's so funny. Anyway, so I believe this is she just started doing swaps and everything, you guys. So go show her some love and support. She was doing I was talking to her yesterday. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna end up cutting this box. She made it to where I do not open it. Oh, here you go. Oh my goodness, I just don't want to show you the address. That's why I'm not showing you like from the front. But hey, it's a nice way of, oh my goodness, how cute. Anyways, so yeah, yeah, she was so excited so she like cracked it open and just like started, so this is what the inside looks like. Oh my goodness, how cute. So there's a bunny. How cute is that? Anyway, so it was a one-on-one egg swap. It was all supposed to be a miniature, and my thought of it was mini eggs. So at the end, I don't know why I was reading, and I was like, it seemed like it was supposed to be one big egg and put everything in there. That's what I understood at the end. Oh my goodness, how cute. Okay, this is what she sent me. So she and I were thinking the same, because I did send her a IG message, and I was like, I think we're supposed to do one big egg, and she's like, what? And I'm like, I just read. And anyways, long story short, y'all. So I told her, she's like, I have a whole bunch of mini eggs, and I was like, you know what? I have mini eggs too. I didn't even think of doing big eggs. I will say, please excuse, because there is a lot of reflection here, so I don't want to see my cara on my face. Anyway, so that is as much I'm going to show you on this one. I am going to crack it open. I love the fluorescent cup, and oh my goodness. So she sent me some socks and a little what is it called, oh my gosh, fidget thing. Oh, how cute. Thank you so much. And I can put my glue gun on here. So you guys, that's another way of setting these things. You can put your glue gun, your cups. Anyways, yeah, that's what I did. And here is another one. So I'm not showing you more than that, because my little face is going to show, and I don't want to show my face. How cute. So she sent me this cute little duck. Oh my goodness. It's not a chicken. It's a duck. Or is it a chicken? I don't know. But we have chicken, so somebody's gonna steal it from me. That's not gonna be nice. And she sent me some ribbon. Yay, thank you so much. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? And if you know me, you know me, you know me. Okay, there. Anyways, how cute. Thank you so much, Alicia. And her name is Alicia. So here are all her mini eggs. Oh my goodness. She did say I have a lot of mini eggs. I didn't send her that many mini eggs. It just like crafted between, but not that many eggs, but yay. And she sent me this little cute little baggie. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! And she says she's not a talented crafter. Oh my goodness! Well, I mean, she says that she still has some, some, some. Oh my goodness! How cute is this? How do you open this? Oh, this is cute. Oh, okay. This is cute. Okay, maybe I should wait for the end. I'll wait for the end for that one, you guys. That is the cutest ever. So here's one egg, so I get to open it. Oh, some die cuts. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we were supposed to just put, I know there was some requirements. I believe it was like 4 mini embellishments. There's some tags in here. How cute. Oh my goodness. So she put a tag. Sorry if this video is long. So how cute is that? Oh my goodness. That is the cutest. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys could see it. It's not focusing. I don't know why. But oh my goodness. That is cute. Love that. I believe it was supposed to be 4 mini embellishments, 4 mini rosettes, 4 mini bows. Or I can't remember. Oh, and here are her bows. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. So she did. Oh my goodness. This takes so much time. Oh, I love it. These are so cute. So putting this together, I know takes a lot of time. These are, I believe, KS Craft bows, and I do apologize. So, oh my goodness. Thank you so much for taking the time to do all that. That is a lot of work. I know I saw it and I was like, I don't think I want to put all those bows together. So I have not bought them that die for that reason. Here is another one. Let me see. Oh, these are the eggs where the peeps can go. Like this. The egg cartons. How cute! Oh my goodness. See, I got it. And then she sent me some sentiments like shake, peeps. Oh, these are for the truck. I believe these are the truck peeps. Oh, okay. Awesome. Because I do have the truck, but I do not have any of the Easter sentiments. So I will be using that on the truck. How cute is that? I think it's a truck. Anyways, and then she sent me these Happy Bunny. How cute. Oh, sorry, you guys. That is so cute. Oh, my goodness. Taking the time to put all these together is... Oh. And then she sent me some hearts. Thank you. Oh. And then sounds like... Oh, and then we were supposed to do a chain or something like... Oh, my goodness. So she sent me some of this right here. Oh, cute. These are like... Let me show you. There's stars. There's flowers. Oh, sorry, this thing is not cooperating with me. So these are like little bees, like bumblebees. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I did need some of that. Let me see. More beads, I think. Oh, yay! How cute are these? Oh my goodness, I love these. It looks like... actually, sorry, I'm gonna have to find that one later. It looks like jelly beans. Look at it, you guys. Oh, sorry, they're all dropping. Thank you so much, Alicia. Thank you. Oh, more. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if you guys have melted these yet. I have not melted any yet. That was in my plans a long time ago, but never succeeded. Oh, and she sent me some of these cute. Oh my goodness, I love these. Oh my goodness. How cute are these? Oh, these are chicks. Oh, bunnies and bunnies. Oh my goodness, how cute. Thank you so much. I do have some that somebody that sent me, but they're not Easter like. But there's another one right there. Oh my goodness, this is not focusing. I feel bad if I paint them. I feel bad if I paint them or color them in. Oh my god, here is the other. Oh, hopefully you guys can see this one. Oh my goodness, really, camera? That is cute. Oh my goodness, the bunny is so cute. And here is the tag. I'm not too sure what's going on. Do excuse my nails. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And then let me see this one. Ooh, she sent me some of these. I do not have any of these, so thank you so much. Oh my gosh, where'd you get these? These are so cute. I love them. Oh my goodness. OMG. Okay, so I'm just gonna not close the eggs, all of them, all at the time. Here is another one, and here are the rosettes. We're supposed to send 4 mini rosettes. And aren't these cute? Oh my goodness. What dye did you use? How cute are these? Love them. Oh my goodness. There you go. There you go. And let me see. And here is another set of these. How cute are those? Oh my goodness, those are so cute. Oh my goodness, to put these together is time consuming and it takes a lot of imagination. Trust me, I suffer with that. And oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. OMG, she took. Oh my goodness, I don't have the patience for this or the imagination. How cute is this? Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you. Oh my goodness, where'd you get these? Oh, they look like candy. I'm such a candy fanatic, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. How cute. And I didn't show her basket, but I will show her basket before I forget. And she sent me some sequins mix. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's some jelly bean eggs or those jelly. Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Oh, did you mix them all together? Because I know the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. The faces are from Hobby Lobby separate. I don't know if you mixed them. That is such a cute idea. Oh my goodness. Anyways, my last egg. Oh, one more after this one. And then, oh, she colored these in. Did you color them or were they in SVG where they were already colored in? Is my other question. How cute is this? See, I would have not thought of coloring them like this. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how cute. And if you colored them, oh my gosh, you are very good at coloring, I will say. How cute are those? Oh my goodness. Anyways, and here is her little basket. How cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, I am running out of space with baskets and totes and bags and yeah. Hopefully I will be doing a tour of my room soon, so keep an eye out for that. And then here is this one. And oh my goodness, I love this. I don't know, is this, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, the candies are in here. Ah! How cute. I love this. This is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it reminds me of trees makings. Oh my goodness, this is cute. Now, is this a Tonic Studios dye or is this an SVG? Or what dye is this? How cute. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch. You guys go over to Alicia's channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, join her, follow her, and be supportive. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.